Hello everyone and welcome to the Sure Lock and Key channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe for expert locksmith tips and home security advice. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only crucial but also deeply personal: how to restore security after a break-in. A break-in can shatter the sense of safety we all work so hard to build in our homes. Even in peaceful cities where the burglary rate is lower than the national average, these events can still happen. They leave families feeling vulnerable and unsure of what to do next. In this video, we'll guide you through every step to restore your home's security, from immediate actions to long-term solutions. Whether it's rekeying locks, upgrading your security systems, or addressing weaknesses you didn't know existed, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1 after discovering a break-in is to call the police immediately. You can count on the police to investigate, gather evidence, and give you a case number for your insurance claim. Your safety comes first. Never enter your home if you suspect the intruder is still inside. Once the police have finished their investigation, document any damage and stolen items. Take photos of broken locks, windows, and doors. Make a list of everything missing, including receipts if you have them. This information is crucial for insurance and for planning your next steps. After documenting the damage, secure your home temporarily. Board up broken windows and doors, and call a 24-hour locksmith, like Sure Lock and Key, to replace damaged locks quickly. If you feel unsafe, consider staying with family or friends until repairs are complete. Next, assess how the intruder gained access. Inspect all entry points, including less obvious ones like basement windows or pet doors. Repair broken frames, replace damaged locks, and install additional security measures like deadbolts or security film. Once your home is secure, focus on long-term upgrades. Consider rekeying all your locks or switching to high-security options like pick-resistant or smart locks. Add strike plates with longer screws and consult a locksmith to ensure everything is installed professionally. Smart locks and security systems offer remote access, monitoring, and real-time alerts. Combining these with outdoor lighting and security cameras will deter future break-ins and give you peace of mind. Remember, restoring security after a break-in is about creating a safe environment for you and your family. Our team at Sure Lock and Key is here to help. From lock repairs to advanced security systems, we have you covered. For professional locksmith services, visit our website or call us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on home security. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.